Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful rainbow and two clouds together. Are you ready? Let's start. Trace the outline of the first cloud, a straight line for the base, and a line with many semicircles of different sizes for the upper part. Draw two circles for each eye, the mouth, and three lines for the eyelashes. Good job! The first cloud came out great! Excellent! Now let's draw the second cloud. A straight line for the base, and a line with many semicircles of different sizes for the upper part. Draw two circles for each eye, the mouth, and three lines for the eyelashes. Good job! The second cloud is done too. Both our cloud friends turn out great. Now draw a large semicircle connecting the two clouds. Draw 7 more semicircles under the first one. Wow! Our rainbow looks wonderful! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes, Color the clouds with blue. Take the purple and color the first stripe of the rainbow starting from the bottom, like I do. Now color the second stripe with indigo. Use light blue for the third stripe. Now take the green and color the fourth stripe. Color the fifth stripe with yellow. Use orange for the sixth one. Now take the red and color the seventh stripe. Excellent! Our rainbow is ready to shine in the sky. Goodbye, my friends. See you soon.